honour, respect. When you lose even one of those, you take something away from those around you. The ones you love, your friends. We let down those closest to us without ever realising we'd done so. The people that didn't leave work at night. They worked the railways for the love of railways. They weren't silenced, they weren't subdued. They just didn't have anything to object to. By the time they realised there was a problem, it was too late. We didn't stifle them, we didn't lock them away, we didn't lie to them. We committed the worst sin of all. We just didn't listen.
Who's making these sounds? Yes, so I used the VMT launcher, 8014.